Welcome to Second Saturday Art. So the prompt that we have is Christmas tree advent, and I thought I'd use the wildcard. I haven't used the wildcard, I don't think, throughout the year. So what we're going to do is just create. So I thought I would take some random colours that I'm not necessarily, I think the ones that I really like, I like this peachy kind of thing, but together I'm like not too enamored with them. But sometimes you have to challenge yourself. I've got this red, a green. This is lime green. And, you know, some of them are old in the sense that this is translucent aqua, and there may be a very watered down pale blue. So I just thought, yeah, I'm going to challenge myself today. And this journal is my restoration journal, and I've got lots of lovely, some of the Second Saturday art or the other collaborations I've got in here, some other work. But I thought, okay, let us, you know, we've got some Christmas colours, so I guess the greens, you could say, the reds. So that will be that aspect of it, but we're just going to play on the page, and sometimes you need to do that, and I'm going to work and see where it takes me. I am going to use some black ink. I do like using the black ink, a white pen, and I'm in my happy place of creating. So I'm just using it's a waterproof Speedball black ink. My white pens work really well with this, and I'm just using a jelly roll. Yeah, so we are going to be working on this page. If you want to see the full-length version, because obviously this is going to be sped through, you can come onto my Patreon, and on the $3 tier you'll be able to catch the full-length version and maybe some commentary as I work through it. But essentially, you will see the speeded up. It's a 10-minute version of me from start to finish, but you'll catch all the other commentary. Please do go and visit all the other artists in the hop, and I'll leave a link to them below, and I'll leave a link to all the supplies I use. So we are going to get started.